Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a unique Halloween costume to make this year, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these invisible person costume. We'll literally be turning heads when wearing these costumes. Look at all this attention. Let me show you how to make them. You're going to want to grab an old backpack and put it on. Then take a measuring tape and measure from the bottom of the backpack to the top of your head. Grab a giant piece of thick cardboard and measure and mark that distance you just measured. Then measure the head from back to front and add that measurement to the top of your previous mark on the cardboard. Now cut along the top of your board that line you just marked. Next, lay your dress or shirt along the cut and mark the shoulder seams on each side of the dress. Then take your backpack, center it at the bottom of the cardboard, and mark the width of your backpack. Now take a marker and draw a line down from the shoulder marks and start to curve the line inward after you pass the other head mark. Draw a line from the bottom backpack mark up to meet the top line. Then repeat on the other side. Then cut out the sides so it looks like this. Using a pen top, score a crease along your first markings so it will bend over the head when placing the cardboard cutout into the backpack. Also round the top two corners so they're not pokey. I forgot to record that part. Now put your dress over top and find where your eyes and mouth are on the dress. Remove the dress and cut out the 3 circles from the front. Grab some black tulle and cut 9 squares slightly bigger than your holes. Layer 2 to 3 layers of the tulle for each circle. Hot glue each stack on the inside of your dress. Once it dries, you can cut off any excess tulle around the edges. Next, grab a wire hanger and cut the top part off. Straighten out one side and bend the other end the length of your hat and glue it inside. I recommend painting the hanger black before this step. Attach the other end of the hanger to the back of your cardboard cutout with tape. And that's it. Put your costume together by putting the backpack on with cardboard inside. Put your dress over it and add an oversized jacket on top. You can safety pin the jacket to the dress so it won't fall off if needed. This costume looks so cool, especially at night. I recommend wearing all black underneath, including black gloves, and cover up any skin. Also note, you may need to paint your cardboard at the top of the head if it is not already black, or add a piece of black fabric on there if needed. This project is pretty simple and doesn't cost much. I get all my clothing and accessories at the thrift store, being sure to buy a couple sizes too big. This one cost me about $12 to make. I hope you get a chance to make these fun costumes this year and really turn some heads on Halloween. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!